Welcome to our podcast on AI financial advisors. In today's rapidly evolving financial landscape, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing how we manage wealth and make investment decisions. AI agents are transforming the role of financial advisors, providing data-driven insights and personalized recommendations at lightning speed. These AI tools are not replacing human advisors, but rather enhancing their capabilities. By automating routine tasks like portfolio rebalancing and report generation, AI frees up advisors to focus on building client relationships and providing strategic guidance. The result is more efficient, cost-effective wealth management accessible to a broader range of investors. Some key advantages of AI financial advisors include 24/7 market monitoring, advanced risk management, and highly personalized investment plans tailored to each client's unique goals and risk tolerance. AI can analyze vast amounts of data to identify trends and opportunities human advisors might miss. For financial advisors, embracing AI is crucial to staying competitive. While change can be intimidating, AI should be viewed as a powerful assistant rather than a threat. User-friendly interfaces make AI tools accessible even for advisors without technical expertise. To learn how AI can boost your financial advisory business, visit runaiagent.com and book a free consultation today. Our team can help you leverage cutting-edge AI to streamline operations, enhance client service, and take your practice to the next level. The future of wealth management is here. Don't get left behind.